How many of you believe that mindset is everything? Yes, I believe that as well. Mindset is so key, whether it pertains to your business or in your personal life, in every aspect of your life, in everything that you want to accomplish. Mindset is everything. And I believe that investing in yourself makes a big difference. Whether you take courses online, whether you read books, you hire a mentor, you surround yourself around people who are at a higher level than you on where you want to be. In everything that you do, all those things will affect your mindset and actually restructure your mindset and improving. So that's why in the year 2026, I see it as the year of improvement, because in every area of your life, there's always room for improvement, because you are about to get on the road of excelling in great ways.